Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you the command that we can use to add or drop foreign key to an existing table using the alter command. So let me introduce you to the syntax to add foreign key. In order to add foreign key in our table, we have to write alter table, then write the table name. After that, write add constant followed by a constant name, then write foreign key, then put the column name within parentheses just like this, then write references. After that, write the other table's name over here, then within parentheses put the column's name, which is actually the linking point between the two tables. So that's it. Next, I'll show you the drop key command, which is alter table, write the table name, then write drop, then foreign key. After that, you can simply write the constant name that you have used during the process of adding foreign key. Okay, so now let us check it out in the MySQL window. So as you can see in my database, I have a table known as course. So here I have a field which is course ID, which is the primary key of this particular table. So this column I'm going to create as a foreign key in the table student details. Make sure the key which you are creating as a foreign key is the primary key of the other table. Now let's check out student details. So that's student details table. Here we need to at first add the column over here which we want to add as the foreign key. So be sure to add the column at first. So in order to add the column, it is important and it is mandatory to add it in the same way. That is, the data type should at least match. So just check out the data type, which is, see, the name was course ID and the data type was varchar 50. Okay, so when I'm going to add it over here, now I have to write alter table student underscore details, add column, it's going to be course ID varchar 50. Okay, so this is important that the data types should at least match. But one important thing is that even if you want to write some other name for this column in the current table, you can do it. But as of now, I'll keep the same name to avoid confusion. Okay, so course ID I'm going to join over here. I'll press enter, it's done. Let us check the description. See, course ID varchar, it's done. Now I'll be adding it as a foreign key. So I need to write alter table student underscore details, add constant followed by the constant name. So let us write it as FK course. Now I need to write foreign key. Within parentheses, I have to write the name of the column which I'm going to add as a foreign key. So it's foreign key course ID. Now I have to write references followed by the other table's name. So the other table's name was course. And now within parentheses, I have to put the column name which is used in the other table. So in this case, it is course ID. I'll end with semicolon and press enter. It's done. Now let us check the description. See, course ID varchar, and now it says key as MUL, that is multiple keys. So foreign key is referred in this way in the table's description. Okay, so now this is the foreign key. Done. Now in order to remove this foreign key, like I need to show you how to drop it, right? So the same thing I'm going to use just to show the difference. So now we don't need to write this portion references. So I'm going to remove it. Even I don't need to put all these things, but the constant name I'll keep it, and instead of writing add, I'll just use drop constant FK underscore course. That's it. Press enter. It's done. If you check the description, you can see it still shows as multiple keys, but let us check if the key exists or not by again trying to remove it. So I'm going to use the same command again, that is the command to drop the foreign key. So see, now it says that constant fk_course did not exist. So it is no more there. So it is removed from the table. So that's all about foreign key. Keep watching my videos to learn more about MySQL.